Welcome back, friends, to your Techhandy channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. In this video, I will demonstrate how to transfer FSMO roles from one domain controller to another. It is not recommended to keep all FSMO roles on one domain controller. Suppose you have two domain controllers in the environment. Best practice is to keep PDC, RID master and infrastructure on the first domain controller, and Schema master and naming master on a second domain controller. In our lab environment, DC02 is currently holding all FSMO roles, which we will migrate to DC01. We can confirm FSMO roles holding servers by running netdom query FSMO command. As you can see, all the roles are currently on DC02 domain controller. Follow the listed commands to transfer roles from DC02 domain controller to DC01 domain controller. First type ntdsutil. Then type roles to connect to roles. Next we type connection to define which domain controller server we want to connect to. Then define server where you want to transfer roles, which in our case is DC01. Next, just type quit or simply Q to switch one step back. We are now ready to transfer roles. Type transfer schema master to transfer schema master role. Hit yes to confirm transfer schema master role to DC01. Our schema master is now successfully transferred to DC01. Transfer remaining roles by following listed commands. And finally transfer infrastructure master. All the roles are successfully transferred to DC01. We can verify by running netdom query FSMO command. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support our efforts.